So basically what we're doing is we're doing the Give Back Fund, and I want you to comment below who I should give back to in regards to a charity or small business owner or really anybody, or if I should do like something in New York or like the streets of New York, what you think I should do. I really want to give back. Like I feel like God's giving me a huge responsibility and stewardship in money, and part of my being and my soul is giving back, and I want to share with the world. So as soon as we get to $10,000 in the Give Back Fund, we will give 10% of that. So we will give 100 to a charity or to whoever you think. Like that, I want this to be community based, and it's basically on what you think and where you think this should go. And also I'm giving $100 away to one person. So again, like, comment, and subscribe why you would like $100. I will pick someone at random for next week to get that money. So here's $100 that's allocated to the Give Back Fund. Now, if it gets up to $20,000, then, I'm sorry, $10,000, 10%, $1,000. Wow, way to go, finance and accounting student. So we will give $1,000 to a charity. That's funny. Yeah, I might still be hyped up on meds. We'll give $1,000 away to a charity. So anyway, and then once it gets to $20,000, we will give $2,000. Once it gets to $30,000, $3,000. And the reason we're keeping it in an investing portfolio and a fund is so it can make its money grow in that fund. We're not taking any money out except for the charity. I want it to kind of be like a public endowment type thing, but just run by this community basically. And you guys will let me know where to put the money and what to do with money, because I think it's really important to get community involvement. So we have $100 for the Give Back Fund. And that was from Google AdSense. So again, thank you very much.